Machita namaGrootman, match day 2 Group B, Africa Cup of Nations Machita. Egypt versus Bafana Bafana, Anadir, Morocco. 26 December, Friday, kick off ngo 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Ezo zikhathi sesendlini. Kule video sojonga starting lineups ka Hugo Bros. They expected 2 changes after the first game against Angola. South Africa iwine 2-1. Esingalibala support channel bafethu, ushaye like okanye if eqala udibana channel ungalahli ngophosa uzwe grand, ushaye usubscribe. Sileqa u20,000 subscribers bafethu. Mocho. Ozwina Police nge-first goal, quality goal, 21st minute. Shaye 2 defenders. First defender shying a touch, second defender drop a shoulder, and then placement into the bottom corner. Quality player, quality finish. Angola equalizer with Shaw. Flick a free kick umchita, quality finish. Ronwen Williams before that wins the 3 top saves umchita. And then 79th minute, Lyle Foster ubonisa character umchita. After I wasted opportunity 1 minute before that, 1 minute later, abantu sebemchitha Foster around the D-line, shy finish or shy killer and a power. Winning goal, 3 points. Egypt now, first game we win a 2-1. Mamush scored a first goal. Yeah, equalizer after a goal in Zimbabwe got Dube. Mo Salah shy late winner. Injury time. Hey, Machita, Egypt. Sahlangana ke manje Bafana versus Egypt. Factually, Egypt versus Bafana. Bafana is a away team apha kule match. Egypt home team, so singatshintsha nekit, maybe sinxibe ikit green okanye sinxibe ikit emhlophe. Egypt ngabantu bethu man. Niyazi bafethu, Egypt ngabantu bethu. Last meeting besidibene ne-Egypt sahlangana ngo-2019 pha Egypt Cup of Nations last 16 Temrigo Siloch. Sayikhumbula mos la famous goal bafethu. Bafana isakhutshwa nguStuart Baxter pha kula tournament. Stuart Baxter obviously wayibopha i-defense shy team counter attacks. Bafana win ball around the center line. Uloch around the center line ushayi 10 umjita waspina pha shy touch kuZungu, then uLoch waqala i-run. uZungu wathola uMotiba wathi through ball uLoch akamesa jo. Net Egypt bakhale Egypt kathi cwaka Egypt yonke ina 90 million people machita vele kathi cwaka yonke Egypt. Bafana yakungena quarter finals. Siphinde sadibana nabo ngabantu bethu kodwa ikhona iplayer ngoku idlala kwiBetway Premiership bafethu iyathetha iwe grand umshini ngome i-idea grand le mara umshini ngathi uyibaxile yena but uyathetha okay Egypt funeke senze ntoni ukuze Egypt siyitye. Uthi umjita bakuse eze Egypt azithande la way bakujonga xa sigibela funeke siligibela apha kule game. Zona eze Egypt zibone ngathi disrespect la way. Xa soba okay jonga sibonisa la flair yethu umjita wabiza igama wathi showboating which is kusanda yofena la way mina machita. But ke nomjita bengakwazi ukuthola igama elibhetere. Mhlawumbe izama ukuthi nje la arrogance ne-flair sikhona umehluko bafethu. And then bekhona ine-levels la way bafethu. Bekhona ke i-players kombatsho ngoku hey mfethu ngoku i-circus le wenzayo ngoku mfethu. Lo ngoku waclowna ebaleni ikhona i-level e-grand basenze yona. And then kusela mjita thetha ngalo way. Ba-Egypt nekusenze la way bafethu okay sibe arrogant ebholeni, masibe ne-cheek indlela esipasa ngayo, indlela sithena ngayo, siholda ngayo ibhola, and sidlala eza short touches, short passes kakhulu. Egypt izocaphuka and xa sicaphukile sizithole apha ke ngoku. Singenza ne-fouls, ziluze ne-shape, ziluze ne-concentration, ne-focus yazo. Siziqede siyagqiba ke ngoku. And i-starting line-up engizothetha ngaso apha kule video, sihlangana nale game plan. Mangabe ndiyinyova masingene kwi-starting line-up bafethu. Epalini Ronwen Williams, Africa's #1, and uthole istart esimmoto une-confidence umjita ustarte grand. Season yakhe ibingekho grand for Sundowns club football, but apha ki-Nations Cup uqale grand, opening 2 minutes against Angola wenza top save, and then 8-10 minutes later uthuna ezinye save ezi-2. So Williams uziqalele bayajonga ndikhona, and Williams ubalulekile bafethu abe-grand le-tournament because inoni kukho new defensive pairing phana. Akasadlali ne-Sundowns players pha ki-defensive pairing, akho Kekana plus noMvala. Ngoku ukho new partnership, ukho uNgezana plus noMbokazi. Amajita asadevelopa i-chemistry ne-partnership yabo. And ngiyabona egremba kusengubani umshayeli bekhona ngubani cover. Isanda back ezi-2 iba khona le i-1 ibiyacommita yona seyifaka i-tackles ngeni-challenges ne-duels, and then i-1 iba yicover bakusewushayiwe mfethu. Then most yazo ezine-cover zezi-quick, zezine-pace zikwazi urecoverisha bakusewushayiwe yona izabe sesitulweni ithathe umntu. Xa sinijongile uNgezana plus noMbokazi engathi uMbokazi quicker than uNgezana, so uNgezana yena kusezaba nguye umjita ocommitayo, nase uMbokazi uzoba yicover yena because quicker than umjita. Engazothi was quick kakhulu lezi. but ke kusengabo sino defense, so therefore Williams balekile bakuse makabeki level higher Williams, makangene kwenye igiya Williams, because ezi sinoshayo manje then kusekubekho yena ke and seyumjita uthathe le responsibility kule match eAngola, step up wathi bayisejonga khona if actually amajita yashaywa likhona akuzungena goal apha. And then i-fullbacks ngamathemba wethu amajita angadisappointiyo, i-tried and tested fullbacks zethu uMudau plus noModiba bayaziwa eAfrika amajita, baziwa CAF Champions League, baziwa na Club World Cup ezo. Bezikhona ke AFCON egqithileyo bafana yaki semi-finals, yawina i-third match yabamba i-bronze, zibhoze eziya Mudau plus noModiba amajita performance yabo against Angola kanqozakala eGrand, but ke first game bafethu kule match eEgypt amajita I'm sure azophakama azoba kule way, ibalekile bafana khange perform eGrand against Angola, but kuse iyawina igame which is the winners ezo. And then singene emqeni kuzoba change bafethu, uMokoena uzostarta but kuse uSithole kangakwazi ucombine Grand support la match asefront, mos kuse uSithole yahlala mos then sinoMokoena bengayi front enough club game la match behleli cha against Angola bafethu, so creativity yethu bingekho ba, so Bros nika change afake omnye umuntu pha emqeni okwaziyo contributor xa kusiwe front, which is bani talent embatha inja leya inja sekasi leya lala phandle bafethu, quality player azoba secanga uMokoena umjita pha emqeni. And then number 10 phambi kwabo Sipho Mbule again, Sipho Mbule uzokwazi ukuphakama kule game, uzokwazi ulighta kule game nxa kambatha, unlike uSithole bekude kakhulu kuMbule, so ngoku uzaba khona uMbatha azosondela kakhulu kuMbule le amsupport umjita amnike iconfidence ngabe nguye yedwa uMbule cabo khejo nguye yedwa kufanele enze creativity. Enetsotsi ziyakwazi no-interchange abakuse if uMbatha uphushile waya front, if uMbatha uphushile waya front wadriver nebhola uMbule yakwazi udropa angene number 8 position, then benzela way amajita uSithole bengakwazi usinika lo way. Enye change izaba se right wing, Moha Nkotha udlala 45 minutes qha against Angola, kangaqala eGrand umjita makahlala esitulweni kancane again uqale uTshepang Moremi ushaya inet yamazi bafika kweParis ushaya inet uMoremi, nalapha kule match uthe ifika kaFkhona ushaya inet but iVAR yabanomona yaba offside, which is a correct call mafethu, but ke kuse beshayile inet yakwazi ukufinish siyamazi umjita ke Premiership. Uzoqala uTshepang Moremi nekwelinye side bengu-Ozwina Police akwenza ithethe siyamazi apolice bafethu ke siyazi apolice ukwazi ukwenza noma majita akho wenza bephinde ngi-explain ba apolice ukuthini kwathini ibhozile yana superstar yethu. Then center forward Lyle Foster, quality striker, top striker, Premier League boy yethu bafethu, so nanso yamelana bafethu teams in line up kuze shy Egypt bafethu, uModiba uzayicima le ngusala majita teams in line up bafethu kanye 1 or 2 players ngicefana bakhe maziqale ezinye zidrop ebenchini basincola pha i-comments majita. Cela ngala support channel, shaya ulike okanye ufike channel ushaye subscribe. Mocha bafethu.